Okay, exterior modifications of a Defender don't come much better than this one, done by a company called Obsidian. In base, this is the Land Rover Defender 110 D250 3-litre diesel XS, a fully loaded version really of the Defender 110, but then souped up to the exterior by Obsidian. And for me, I've said this before when we've had these cars, I think it's slightly better than the urban conversion. I think it looks better, I think the wheel design is better, and it gives you some additional exterior features. Now, this is a 24 plate car with just over 1,000 miles, and we'll call it basically brand new because inside and outside it is in a stunning condition. And what you get from this car in a base is you get air suspension, you get heated and ventilated seats, you've got leather, you've got opening roof, pretty much everything you're going to want. I'll go through the interior features shortly, but it is the exterior that wows on this car. The arch extensions, the canyards, the front splitter, these little extra sections that are into the bumper, bonnet inserts, wing inserts, it really does look bulbous and very, very muscular. All painted in gloss black as well. It's fantastic, this car. It really is a real head turner. We've also got the light pod on the roof, which is functional, very bright, but functional, whatever you're going to use that for. The 22-inch wheels, the Matrix LED lights, and a host of all fabulous features as we walk around. You'll see the Obsidian badging in gloss black, the midsection Obsidian badging to the grille, and then the full black styling, which looks superb, doesn't it? If we focus in on the wheels next, they are an Obsidian wheel, multi-spoke, gloss black, 22-inch. We've all got all-terrain tyres as well. Again, the tyres, as you would expect, are in a new order. Steps, mud flaps and roof rails, they're all exterior options on one of these cars. Now, it's a 250 horsepower 3-litre diesel. The styling doesn't stop to the front, it's actually fully round the rear with the roof spoiler, the spare wheel cover in the Obsidian design, the black rear tail lights and the black bottom section. So we've got a fully black car here on our hands with 1,000 miles on it. It's absolutely stunning. Now, the XS model gives you the air suspension, which isn't a standard feature in one of these cars. We've also got a plug adapter in the rear there as an option. Arch extensions really beefing up the car, keyless entry, painted door handles, and again the black leather interior. Now, these have got so much space. It's a family car, it's got a big boot. It does everything you'd want it to do, especially a head-turning vehicle on the road. People will be looking at this vehicle for sure. Now, Meridian sound system, electric memory seats, heated and ventilated seats, wireless phone charging. It's even got a fridge in the centre console, including switchable ambient lighting. What more could you want from one of these cars? It's the styling that'll sell it for me for sure. It's really, really special. And then jumping in, so many more features to go for that I haven't touched on just yet. Steps are going to help me get in this car. Once I'm in, let's just discuss some of these additional features. So first and foremost, we've got a little switch here, which is for your light pod on the roof to turn it on and off. Into the door, if we just reiterate this, we've got the Meridian sound system, the electric memory seats for driver and passenger. It has got switchable ambient lighting, leather gear shifter and leather steering wheel, which is heated. We've then got switchable cockpit behind the steering wheel. We've got clear sight camera, which is situated in the area at the back of the car. You can either have as a mirror or the camera system. The opening sunroof. Then we've got I love this feature actually. We've got refrigerator to the center console with 2 stages, wireless phone charging, heated seats and ventilated seats. If I show you both sides, that's for driver and passenger, and the air suspension. The 360 camera system, the top view camera and the 3D camera. Again, we have more features to show you with wireless smartphone integration, navigation, Bluetooth, media integration, weight sensing and 4-wheel drive modes, as much as you'd want to play around with, USBs and USCs, and of course you've got your phone to run through the car and use all your capabilities of your mobile phone through the car. You can even talk to Siri or Alexa, whichever type of phone you're using, to run this car really from the infotainment aspect. And this is on the website now. It's absolutely stunning to look at. All the features you desire from a 110 Defender and in a basic new condition on a 24 plate with 1,100 miles on. My name and number's on the screen. It's Richard. Call me. Thanks for watching.